Professor Clump.
What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today we are going to be redoing the headlights on the Escalade, since we're on a standstill with everything else. So I've already changed out the bulbs. These new bulbs are gonna look real good. So we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, since we got that out the way, I'm going to set this up on a tripod. I'm only going to show y'all me doing this side. I'm not going to show y'all doing the other side, but I'll give y'all a little before and after. If y'all want to know how to really do this step by step, go to my other video when I'm doing the Titan, guys. You can check out step by step right there. Right now, I'm just going to be showing y'all the difference once I get done. We'll drop some music, speed it up, and y'all see me knocking this side out. And I got everything I need this time. All the sandpaper, polish, compound. So yeah, it ain't gonna be like last time when I'm running out of supplies. But anyways, let's get it going, guys. Alright guys, we got the 320 knocked out. My good sander is stuck in the toolbox, so I'm gonna just have to make do with this. So we'll wipe it off with some alcohol. Make sure we went deep enough with 320, and then we're gonna hit it with the 600. I think we're deep enough. Yeah, that's deep enough. So shoot, we'll speed this thing up. Hit it with the 600. That was a 600. We'll wipe it off. Now we're gonna hit it with the 1000. Trying to save some money here. These are like 800 bucks. Aftermarket 400. The lowest I found was 380 a pair. Aftermarket. Alright, let's speed this thing back up. 1000. hit it with one more 1000 to make sure we good. We'll hit it one more time with that. Alright guys, that's a wrap with the sanding. I'm gonna wipe it off and then we're gonna compound and polish it. And probably be close to the end of this video. Like I said, if y'all want to see me do this step by step, y'all go back to the Titan video where I'm redoing the headlights on my Titan and you'll see the whole thing. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we're gonna switch pads and then we'll go with the polish. Way smoother, for sure. Alright guys, let's go and knock this polish out. And like I said, we're just doing one light today. We're not going to do both. I'm just going to show y'all, well, on camera. I'm going to just show y'all me doing one. That's how y'all need to see. And then we'll turn it on here in a minute. So I got my new pad for my polish. Alright, we're good there. We'll lay this polish down and we'll get going. Woo, too much.
Damn, Cam, this shit a vibe.
Alright guys, we got that polish knocked out. Hope y'all like that B-roll right there, man. My son on the camera doing the B-roll. So, yep, polish is done. It looks 100 times better. I'm not gonna say 1,000. There's still some blemishes in there, but we're gonna try to take care of that. I mean, it's still, you're still saving a lot of money. So I'm gonna grab the camera. Let me see the camera, brother. So I'm gonna show y'all where we started at. Y'all see that right there? It's kind of dark over here though. But that's where we started at. And then we ended up here. So clear up. So yeah, I say 100 times better. And we getting ready to put the secret sauce on there. If y'all didn't watch to the end of the video on the Titan, y'all didn't even see the secret sauce, man. Y'all gotta watch the whole thing. Alright, let's get that secret sauce on there. Alright, we're gonna wipe that off. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there, man. That ain't 100 times better. I don't know what is. What you think, brother? You don't know? Do it look better than the other one?
Yeah.
I think it'll do for now. It ain't like brand new, but it looks way better. And I can work with it a little bit more off camera. So what we're gonna do? Let's show them the lights that I got. Let's stay right there. So these are new. These are gonna be replaced, and then we got the fog lights too. So watch this difference, man. Y'all gotta watch this difference. Remember I was telling y'all earlier about the yellow and all that? So we ain't gonna have that yellow up there no more. You riding with this nice light and then got that. This your high beam, so you ain't worried about the high beam. So we'll pop this bad boy out real quick. Just to let me. And like I said earlier, I'm just doing this right now because I'm stuck. I need some more material. And it's just not going the way I want it to go. I want to have everything done in a couple days. Look at that. Don't that look way better, guys? That look good. That look good right there. Babe, you see that? Look. Come look at it.
Oh yeah.
That look brand new.
Looks good, especially with those lights, huh?
Yep.
Alright guys, so like I said, we're waiting on more material to finish up the bumpers. Wrong material for the roof, so we're kind of at a standstill. I think what we're gonna do next, we're gonna do all the trimming on the doors. I'm gonna go ahead and knock the mirrors out. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video on that. Y'all drop down in the comments if y'all want to see me wrap these mirrors, because that's probably gonna be one of the hardest things on this vehicle to wrap. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, and I might just make it happen for y'all. But anyways, we'll see y'all in the next video. Shout out Silky Smooth Gang, Kobe Crew, and we out. Peace. Woo.